Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app and signing in so your packs sync. Make sure camera and storage permissions are granted. Once done, tap New Pack or pick an existing pack to avoid duplicate names. Next, choose a base image from Photos or snap a quick photo. This gives you the canvas for your sticker. As you take or select the image, keep subjects centered for clean cropping later, because a centered subject saves time during trimming. After you have your base image, use the Auto Cut tool for fast background removal and switch to the lasso for precise edges if needed. Once the subject is isolated, add text, shadow, or outline to improve visibility against chat backgrounds. Choose fonts and sizes that remain legible at small scale. Then create variations. Duplicate the sticker and adjust color, rotation, or facial expression so you have a mini library. This saves time later because you'll reuse these variants across chats. When your pack looks good, export it as PNGs or the app's package format, making sure backgrounds are transparent so stickers blend into chats. Next, install or share the pack to your keyboard or messaging app and mark it as a favorite for fast access. If recipients see blur or jagged edges, reopen the originals and export at a higher resolution, then redo the auto cut with smoothing enabled. Finally, update the pack in-app so everyone gets the fresh, crisp stickers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.